Friends and family, we have gathered here today to remember a life well lived. A life well lived is a precious gift of hope and strength and grace from someone who has made our world a brighter, better place. It is filled with moments sweet and sad, sometimes tears with friendships formed, and good times shared, and laughter through the years. A life well lived has left a legacy, valued like a treasure. Many living, lasting memories that our grateful hearts will hold forever. Rest well, Sister Benjamin. You shan't be forgotten.